Ah, spring is in the air, and the weather is once again fair. As the snow melts away, revealing nature's bloom, Bobby's mind wanders during his morning zoom. Bobby? Bobby! Sales are up, but the inventory is low. It's time to order some new units so your sales figures can grow. First, Bobby takes a walk through the lot to see what kind of inventory they've got. Class A's, B's, and C's all in short supply. There's hardly anything for customers to buy. No trailers, haulers, or fifth wheels. The situation, frankly, is just not ideal. Looks like Bobby will have to log into his favorite software. So he hurries back to his desk to sit in his chair. Back at his desk, looking to find the RVs he needed, 3 of each kind. Bobby clicked his mouse so EverLogic would turn on, then to the Sales tab after he logged on. He clicks on the Inventory PO tab, entering the stock numbers of the vehicles to nab. He fills out the make, model, weight, trim, and year, as well as the color, width, and length, front to rear. Bobby can even floor plan from EverLogic if he should need, all of the features optimized for accuracy, ease, and speed. From ordering to arrival, it's all at his command, thanks to EverLogic, his trusted right hand. Once the order is placed, Bobby just needs to wait until the day comes when the brand new RVs arrive at his gate. Good morning, Bobby. Get ready for your morning drive. Why? The recreational vehicles are set to arrive. With a hum of engines, they park in a neat line, bringing hope and excitement, a feeling so divine. Bobby smiles with satisfaction. His efforts have paid. The dealership revitalized, success firmly laid. With efficiency, accuracy, simplicity, and speed, EverLogic can fulfill every dealership's need. And with EverLogic's help, Bobby's sales can now soar. Customers leave satisfied, soon to come back for more. Good job, Bobby. You did it once again. You saved the dealership. Muy bien?